Alright, in this video we're going to be discussing the transformation of complex numbers. So, the first one we're looking at is the transformation from Z to Z conjugate. And what we see here is all that's really happening is a transformation that's a reflection across the real axis. So, Z to Z conjugate is a reflection across the real axis. So then for Z to negative Z, this one, as we move Z this way, negative Z would also move this way. So this is a rotation of pi about the origin. And this could be counterclockwise or clockwise, but I'm going to say counterclockwise. So this is a counterclockwise rotation of pi about the origin. Now, the next one I want to look at is going from Z to negative Z conjugate. And this one can be looked at as a combination of two transformations. So we could take the conjugate first to get x minus yi, and then take the negative of that to get negative x plus iy. And so we could write this as a reflection across the imaginary axis. And for this final one, we have z going to negative iz. And so for this one, I showed my work here. If you take negative I and multiply it by z, you get negative ix minus I squared y, which is negative ix plus y, which is y minus xi. And I've drawn that here. And what you can see from looking at it is that this is a 90-degree angle. So this is going to be a rotation clockwise of pi halves about the origin. So these are the four most common transformations you'll see, and you may be asked either to do them or what the transformation is that's occurring. So you should make sure you know these transformations.